sa first quarter is underway. This first quarter underway was brought to us by SK Barong-Barong. Edmond Jalina. Yang angas ng double B, pinapakita din yung angas mga kaibigan. Good for 2 points for Barong-Barong. But Achera, the team captain, bang, 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 3 points. Man, Steve Lee wearing jersey number 11. Assassin of SK in Labrador number 20. Downtown play. Labrador from downtown. Iagad din number 26. Wearing jersey number 28. Inugad ng Kabansa, pero on the other side, SK Kagawad, ang isa sa mga show. Hindi pumasket, is calling once again, Steve Lim nagmamadali. Steve Lim uplexing mamadali. Steve Lim uplexing tarakap. Steve Lim! Sila kay Flores na buhay bola. Steve Lim behind the back dribbling. Steve Lim looking around. Inside Flores! Bang! Final trip! Mula kay Ivan Diaz. Fadeaway shot by Cabanza, Mintes Cabanza. Almani rather. Good for 2 points by Almani. Yung mga gwapo na, masisipag pa. Samantalang sisipagan na rin ang Jacinto. Gwapo shot. Good for 2 points at may ara. Mga bao. In 4 minutes and 49 seconds remaining time. Okay, pero lahat naman sinashoutout natin na huwag kayo masyadong kiligin. Hindi magandang gising itong Kadusyo. 2 minutes and 3 seconds to go. Jacinto on flight. Ang mala rin sa bandong galawan. Very amazing boy from Samariñana. Jacinto, good for 2 points. Atos, binigay kay Ritisa, may tangan ng buho. 1 minute and 20. Bola, bang! Nabinyagan yung not wait. 40 seconds to go. 47th quarter. Belviatura sumalmal. Ang ng Barong-Barong, napaganda pa yun. Good for 2 points. Pinigay kay Kadusyo, sigsagin, binasag yung depensa, yung kanyang defender, but doesn't work. And Kadusyo recovering, put up, bang! Get that 2 points. At may pakaman pang foul. Tinitignan po natin kung kakayanin ng mga Budots King ng Barangay Malis. Ilang mga Distrito 2 pagkatapos itong ating ball game. Jacinto, bang! 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 3 points. Mga ng tatluang itong Jacinto at Sierra inside. Bayer, good for 2 points. Kaya Steve Lim, yung kanyang mitis sa leading sikap. He is tall and recovering his own miss. Good for 2 points by Steve Lim. Nakuha nitong Steve Lim for that reload. 17 against 19, a quick 2-pointer. Ritisa, good for 2 points. Kadusyo, 5 minutes and 25 seconds to go. Jacinto, ganda ng pasa, ganda ng tira. Amazing combi, good for 2 points by Bayer. At binigyan ng 2 puntos na justice. Yung pihit na yon mula dito sa kanyang teammate. Back inside jumper. Holong, unti-unti nang tumutulong. 14 lang. Tirada itong Steve Lim. This time, Almani. Tiradang pang Mani. Lugod. And Ritisa inside. Jacinto. Yes, sir! By the amazing Jacinto. For Kadusyo, hindi bumasket. Last na parang free throw by Kadusyo. Good for 1 point. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Kabig ng Steve Lim. Mapupunta kay Kadusyo. Layup. Kadusyo! 28, 22, 25. Score 3 puntos pa rin yung pamumuno. Nasa 3 points pa rin ang patuloy pong abante nitong team. Bad for team ng double B. Outside jumper. Bang! 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 3 points! 2 minuto at 50 saglit na natitirang oras para sa ating dalawang laro. Jacinto fires. Good for 2 points by Bayer. Last in the final free throw. Good for 1. Almani. At the top. Mula sa Rainbow, Kadusyo, sumablay na naman yung pihit mula sa 3-point territory. Steve Lim, pinagpag yung defender. Steve Lim! Second quarter. Garcia, Achera, jumper for 3-point short. Put back, Almani! Poblasyon, Distrito 2, Labas sa Malis coming up. And pagkatapos po niyan, ipilan na 2 panalo at walang talo makakalaban. Yung Last in the final free throw, good for 2. Imunod na si Salva, magandang gabi po. And thank you for watching. 1 minute and 10 seconds to go para sa ating second quarter. Outside jumper, ang angas, bang, 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 3 points. Overtoxin mula kay Belviatura, Tududo naman to the rescue. Isa sa mga mamang bakulod, outside jumper, good for 2 points at 5. 20 seconds to go. Calducio nagmamadali. Calducio, good for 2 points. 34-32. And driving in by Bayer. Good for 2 points by Bayer. 3 seconds to go. We are now. May mga anak dyan. Pagmahal mo talaga yung jowa mo, kasamang mga anak mo dahil single mom nga po yan eh. Repeat. Thank you so much sa mga kaibigan natin. Yung mga pangalan sa Facebook ay binabaliktad. Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Puntos na kanyang gusto para kanilang talaan. This time, ganda ng pasa. Oh! Time, ganda ng pasa. Oh! Time, ganda ng pasa. Oh!
Time, ganda pasa.
Oh! Saan papunta? To the moon. Road trip from Steve Lee. Mula dito at natapakan pa itong number 0. Medyo nag-twist ng tuhod. The official's timeout. Medyo nag-twist yung tuhod. Masakit po. 1 point lead. Pero papalo ba ng 2 puntos? Doesn't work for a Labrador. Nabitiwan naman ang Cadusio. Buti na lamang just to recover. Number 15. Yan na. Inside, Almani. Going to the weak corner. Jumper for 3 points. At Chera. Yung bumira ng tatluhan. Hindi kumonekta. Ba't nando doon? Inamang pagbatong ginawa. This time, Jacinto. Kinaliwa pa. Jacinto. 47-46. Change favor again. Lamang na naman po ng 1 point ang Barangay sa Mariñana. 2 minutes for the third quarter. Inside Kobe, Bacolod, 2 points. 1 minute. Third quarter of action, 1 minute remaining time. Easy layup, a finger roll, at Chera, Lock City. Hindi ginayang mabasag. And BC number 30. Easy, another drive. Yes, sir. Makikiraan po, sabi nitong numero 15. 10 seconds remaining. 50 against 49. 1 point lead by Double B. Steve Lee. 4 seconds to go. Good for 2 points. Jacinto. Naghahamol ang mga taga-Barangay sa Mariñana sa pagtatapos ng ating third quarter. At ito na po ang huling gayug. The last semester for this basketball game. At Chera, bang, 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 3 points. Survey was brought to us by the SK Federation President Jason Sispeña. At katuwang din natin dito ang ating pumataga Municipal Sports Office. Good for 2. 4 na puntos ang nilalamang inside copy. Calducio, basketball count for 2 points. 2 puntos ang abante. Ang angas ng double V. May tangan na bola. Binigay kay Calducio. Lalapit. Calducio! The perimeter working from the strong corner. Doesn't work from Calducio. Ang sa Mariñana, walang kalaban. 2 points na naman ang muling na-connecta nitong Bayer number 10. Dahil dapat meron din po kayong pangagahan, pananghalian at panghapunan. Good for 2 points. At speaking of panghapunan, magiging hapunan na defender. Good for 2 points by Angas Belviatura ng Tagusaw. But outside jumper, good for 2 points. Against 58, up by only 2 points. 2 puntos ang patuloy kong nalalamang. Oh, good for 2 points, Bacolod. Belviatura, number 1 at the line for a couple of shots. The first free throw, good for 1 by Belviatura. May tangan na bola away from downtown at Chera, 3 points. Last in the final free throw by Belviatura, wearing jersey number 1. Good for 1, substitution ref. Sub ref. It's in 2 seconds to go for the final quarter. 63-62 score. 1 free throw. First free throw, Labrador, good for 1. Paggali kay Bacolod. In this time, Labrador, kuha ng Garcia. Harassing by number 11, Steve Lim. Inside, Jacinto, bang! Good for 2 points. Lamang ng score, 63-65. 2 puntos yung akalain mong walang panalo. Mukhang sila pa makakapanalo ng gabi. Bayer, good for 2 points. 1 minute in 1. The Brooks Point SVP chapter. 38 seconds to go. Jumper Nugod Labrador to the rescue. Bacolod, good for 2 points. 2 puntos na. First free throw, good for one by Jacinto. Okay, mukha akong magpapatuloy itong dalawang talot without win itong team ng sa Marikana at for the first time.